Pipestone Capital Corp. Is it realistic to expect a lender or investor to rely on a client-ordered appraisal? In the realm of real estate financing and investments, the appraisal process plays a critical role in determining the value of a property. Typically, lenders and investors order independent appraisals to ensure impartial and accurate evaluations. However, there are instances where clients may request to have their own appraisal conducted. In this article, brought to you by Pipestone Capital Corp., we will explore the feasibility and implications of expecting lenders and investors to rely on client-ordered appraisals. The significance of appraisals in real estate financing and investment. Appraisals serve as an essential tool for lenders and investors in assessing the value of a property before extending financing or making investment decisions. These evaluations help determine the fair market value, which significantly influences loan amounts and investment considerations. By relying on independent appraisers, lenders and investors aim to minimize the risks associated with inaccurate valuations or potential conflicts of interest. The importance of independence and objectivity. Independence is a fundamental principle of appraisals. Certified appraisers are expected to operate with objectivity, devoid of any vested interests in the outcome of the appraisal. This impartiality ensures that the appraiser's assessment remains unbiased and free from any undue influence. Lenders and investors heavily rely on this objectivity when making crucial financial decisions. Challenges with client-ordered appraisals. While clients may have valid reasons for desiring a client-ordered appraisal, such as cost savings or process efficiency, there are inherent challenges associated with relying on these appraisals. Let's explore a few key considerations. Potential bias. When a client orders an appraisal, there is a risk of bias or the appearance of bias. Since the client is paying for the service, there may be a natural inclination to seek a higher property valuation that aligns with their expectations. This bias compromises the credibility and objectivity of the appraisal in the eyes of lenders and investors. Credibility concerns. Appraisers hired directly by clients may lack the same level of credibility as independent appraisers. Lenders and investors place significant value on an appraiser's reputation and qualifications. Without recognized certification or adherence to professional standards, client-ordered appraisals may lack the necessary trustworthiness for lenders and investors to confidently rely on them. Regulatory compliance. Lenders and investors operate within regulated environments, and regulatory bodies often require adherence to specific appraisal standards and guidelines. Client-ordered appraisals may not necessarily comply with these regulations, potentially exposing lenders and investors to legal and compliance risks. Varied quality. The quality of appraisals can vary significantly based on an appraiser's expertise and experience. Independent appraisers undergo rigorous training and certification, ensuring a consistent standard of quality. In contrast, client-ordered appraisals may not meet the same rigorous standards, leading to discrepancies in property valuations. These discrepancies can impact loan approvals or investment decisions. Conclusion. In the world of real estate financing and investment, it has long been the norm for lenders and investors to rely on independent appraisals ordered by themselves. This expectation is rooted in the principles of independence, objectivity, and credibility. While clients may have valid reasons for requesting client-ordered appraisals, it is crucial to consider the potential challenges and risks associated with this practice. The credibility of the appraisal process relies on the unbiased expertise of certified appraisers who operate independently of the involved parties. Client-ordered appraisals introduce the possibility of bias, undermine credibility, and may not comply with regulatory standards. Lenders and investors prioritize accuracy, consistency, and transparency in the valuation process to make informed financial decisions. When seeking real estate financing or investment opportunities, it is advisable to work with reputable lenders and investors like Pipestone Capital Corp. Visit www.pipestonecapital.com to explore funding options and engage in partnerships that prioritize objective and reliable appraisal practices. Thanks for watching.